Hello everybody. Sunday, about 11 o'clock, and it's already over 100 degrees. It's supposed to hit 109 today in Tucson, possibly even hotter here in Marana, and of course in Phoenix it's always hotter. So this is what I do right before noon. I do this all the time when it gets super hot past 105, is I will water all the mulch that I have laid down. And if you don't have mulch and you're gardening in the desert, you really should consider it. I use straw, you can use hay, but mulch is key out here to keep the root zone nice and cool and keep it moist. And so right here, I'm not watering the leaves, okay? You definitely don't do that because that will act as a magnifying glass for the sun, and that's why you always hear not to water your plants during the daytime. But if you just keep it mostly on the ground and the mulch, it's fine, and actually it helps. So it's going to help keep the moisture locked in a little bit and just keep my plants from stressing out, because here's the thing, they're probably going to survive regardless of whether I did this or not, but it's going to stress them out. And the more you stress your plants out, sometimes it hurts production. So I don't want to hurt production on my plants. I want them to be able to keep growing and thriving, so when fall comes around here, I'm going to have some big plants that are going to be big producers. So it's little things like this that help, and it's how I keep my plants alive. So I'm going to go through here and do these, and I'm going to go do the squash. I had a whole line of it here, and you can see some of the leaves already wilting, even though I have like 6 inches of mulch down there. So that means that they're not getting enough water to keep up with the heat here. So I'm going to go over there and water that. So anyways, that's how I do it, and that's a little tip here for gardening in the desert.